When I was a student at the White Wind Zen community in Ottawa, I had the privilege of listening to recorded teachings, or teisho, by the Venerable Anzan Hoshin Roshi. You can hear some of his recordings on wwzc.org. During these teisho, the roshi speaks very slowly, with quite a bit of silence between words, a bit like what I'm doing now. Silence between words, as well as words between silence. Now, I love listening to spoken words at this kind of slow pace. It invites other sounds to permeate the acoustic space, such as the traffic that you hear in the background now. Bit of bird song, muffled sounds. But we can also notice other things like our breath, its pace, its depth, its odor, weight. So many dimensions we don't usually pay attention to. And minute movements of the body and cracking of bones and the weight of the chair and oscillations of light and so many details that we normally don't notice. And I love the way spoken words linger in the air, like they were hugging clouds and floating down like rain or snow. I love the way unhurried speech invites us to slow down. So you might ask, how does the pace of speech relate to the sound of modernity? Well, the sound of modernity is the opposite of slowness. It's fast-moving and generally saturated, isn't it? Constantly in overdrive, with technology accelerating our lives faster and faster. We seem to have lost touch with the notion of slowness. There's my phone reminding me to be fast. We've also lost touch with the notion, the feeling of distance. So I'm going to walk away from this microphone and repeat this narration again as an exercise in listening to slowness, but also to distance. Thanks for listening. I'm going to walk away slowly from this microphone while repeating this narration. When I was a student at the White Wind Zen community in Ottawa, I had the privilege of listening to recordings, or teisho, by the Venerable Anzan Hoshin Roshi. And you can hear some of these recordings on www.zc.org.